Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about off-campus recruitment drive, job vacancy from Genpact. So we will be discussing three different profiles for which the vacancies are going on. So let's discuss in detail. So first vacancy is for technical associate Python. So the eligibility criteria, the responsibilities basically would be the writing, optimizing custom SQL queries, must be capable of writing SQL queries for validating dashboard outputs, and then must be able to translate visual requirements into detailed technical specifications. The eligibility criteria would be BTech, BE, MCA, and you should have very good communication skills, whether it's verbal or written, and yes, knowledge of Python and PySpark you should know, and you should have good knowledge of these programming languages, strong ETL knowledge or any ETL tool if you have any knowledge about that is also well and good. And yes, basics of designing database and creating and implementing database systems based on the end user requirement. As per the end users, you should know these basics. So preferred qualification, like I said, I mean graduation, or you can have MCA. And yes, creative ways of solving problem solving skills. You should have understanding various this concepts like data warehouses, knowledge of data, performances, tuning, etc. You can go through in details basically, and you should be flexible with projects and timings. So yes, so this was all about technical associate profile, and location will be Hyderabad. So yes, you can apply. You can just click here on apply, register, fill in the details correctly, and yes, then you'll get the further details communication through email. Next, moving on to the profile, which is associate analyst. This was for the technical associate in Python, and yes, this is associate analyst profile. So here also you can go through in details like jobs, roles, and responsibilities, what you will be doing in this job profile. Preferred qualification, we'll be moving on further. It's graduation or above is required for qualification, wherein knowledge of Python programming knowledge, I think most of the people have good command over Python, so you can just go through this profile, and you can go and apply. Proficiency with MS Office, Outlook, Word, Excel, you should be knowing. And yes, you can go verbal skills, communication skills, and solving and troubleshooting skills should be there. So these are like basic requirements which they require for this particular profile. Again, this is for the Bangalore location, and yes, like I said, it's for graduation profile, and it's a full-time job role. So yes, this was for associate analyst. So next profile moving on to is management trainee in actuarial. So you can again go through in details like what the job roles and responsibilities would be, like process management, etc. And like what I understand from actuarial is that you should have a very good command over mathematics, understanding and calculation part has to be very super strong. Otherwise, I would say, I mean, this is what the requirement of this profile is. And yes, you can go. It is like a lot of job roles and responsibilities are here. You can go through in details. I will just quickly go through the qualification. Like it is saying that BA degree in actuarial science, mathematics, like I said, maths and statistics would be the main subjects you should be very well versed with. And yes, preferably three or four actuarial exams cleared. So basically, you must be knowing if you are applying for this profile. There are various exams in this, like actuarial. So you should have cleared 3 to 4 exams in this, and with experience, if you have experience in this industry, like life or insurance or annuity insurance or financial industry, then it is well and good. You go through in details, and the tools which are required, I mean preferred, are like MG, ALAF, Access, MS Access. So yes, knowledge of gap, STAT, and tax reporting concept. So yes, again, if you talk about how to apply, you just need to click here. I have explained you each and everything. I mean, for this, just go through in details. Any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. And yes, I will ensure that I will put videos regularly, because from past 2 3 days I wasn't putting much videos on channel. So yeah, I'll ensure that thing happens. And yes, do share with your friends. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Bye.